Tita Malen. Thank you, Kuya Miguel and Kuya Mikel and Ate Liana. Yeah, it's your gift. Open your gift. This is your birthday gift. Wow, very good naman. Galing. Thank you po. Thank you for the gift, Tita Malen. Wow, that's for Sak. Okay? That's for Sak, not all for you. One for Sak, one for you. Oh, you open it na. Open na. Wow, remove that one. Remove, galing. Oh, more. Oh, arte naman mag-remove. Galing. Remove. Strongly. Go, strongly. Tear it. Mommy will help you. Wow, galing naman. Wow! Wow, galing Sayan. Wow, what's that? Wow, bike! You have bike! Wow! You have bike! Ala, thank you po. You say thank you, Tita Malen. Wow, you have bike, anak. Wow, you have bike. Yay! Yay! Galing naman. Wow! What's that? Wow! Galing naman. Galing naman, baby ko. Ay, big boy na talaga. Wow, you have bike! Wow! Oh, you tell to daddy to assemble it, okay? When daddy comes later, ha? Okay? Oh, what you will say? Thank you, Tita Malen. You say thank you. Thank you, Tita Malen. Kuya Miguel. Oh, you say thank you na. Sayon. Gift, Dada. Can you please assemble this one, Dada, when you come home? Bye, immediately. Bye agad. Bye. You say, love you, Dada. You say, love you na, Dada. Dada, may bike si Sayon, no? Gift sa kanya, birthday gift.